temples. And to the left, we're just gonna follow this down just a little bit further. They're usually playing mahjong almost every night. I don't hear any mahjong players. Another alley. But yeah, actually this is even closed tonight.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, late at night, some weekday night, you can see some offerings here of bread for this temple. And it looks like a lot of these are still going. That means that people are actively, and you can smell the incense as well. So people are actively keeping this going even late at night. So it's kind of cool. And this one, I forget the name, but this is actually kind of a popular tourist one. And then over here is, the lights are off, but this is usually on, and there's like kind of like mannequins in the shelf kind of thing. So we're just gonna show a couple other stuff late at night. So this is another temple, and they keep the light going, incense there too. But yeah, it's quite beautiful. So okay, so we're gonna walk over to this side as well and see what's over here, because I saw something cool on the wall. We got that, and we're just gonna walk. Could walk different directions, but I'm gonna walk towards this mahjong table through this area called Hude Invernarios, which is the there's a public bathroom over there for one, so I'm gonna walk in that direction for that. And then there's also it's called the Street of the Herbalist in English. So we're just gonna walk through this at nighttime a little bit. And you can see, but everything is closed at the time being. Well, not everything, some things are open. And we're gonna walk through here and down this way, and you can see how cool this place is. This place actually has like what is it called? Geo something. Those little things from the earth that are like bright purples and reds and greens. And then this street right here is, there's a coffee shop right there. And this one is kind of a tourist place where they'll sell stamps and antiques and all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna walk down this street as well. And at nighttime, it's well, it's quite quiet for one. And there's a lot of cool stuff that we should examine late at night like that. Lots of artwork. And these alleys sometimes have cool stuff that you just don't really expect. Acai bowl, let's see. Looks like coconut, some kind of mango, strawberry, banana, acai, granola, and chia seed. Huh, what's that? Habit box. And of course you get this kind of cool artistic work. More of it over there. Travessa de Corte. Travessa Corta. So, okay. Of course you got these beautiful tiles everywhere too. Coca-Cola museum. Food truck. And these chairs that kind of are out here, right? Temples. And to the left, we're just gonna follow this down just a little bit further. They're usually playing mahjong almost every night. I don't hear any mahjong players. Another alley. But yeah, actually this is even closed tonight. Wow, it's closed. Usually there. Wow, everything is closed. So this woman is always feeding the cats over in this area. So let's just see. There's some cats here. So yeah, they're feeding the cats. And this is a little alley with a bathroom, so we're gonna end this video right here. So yeah, this one has kind of cool architecture everywhere. And we're gonna end it here. And there's all the cats right there, so close it right there. So actually she feeds the cats. And then this is the bathroom, but we're gonna close it right at the WC. And that's it.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.